Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about another Java problem. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So now I will write the problem statement. So the problem statement is user to take an user input and need to take an array ARR of size and user need to print the pairs in the array. Pairs in the array. So which means, for example, n is equal to 5, right? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So output should be like this. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. And after that, one series is completed, right? Now come to the 2 series. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. And after that, 3, 4, 3, 5, right? 3, 5, and finally 4, 5. So in this way, you have to print it. So one after one, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. And after that, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. And after that, 3, 4, 3, 5. And after that, 4, 5. So these are the pairs which are printed in the array. So these pairs you have to print it. You have to print it. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let's write the code. This comment is problem statement and let's write the code. So the code is import java.util.star and after that scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in int n is equal to sc dot next int, and after that I have to give the array arr is equal to new int of size n, right? And after that I will read the values in the array by using for loop with option I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. And after that I'll give array of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? Next int. And after that I will use another for loop with start from 0, I less than n, I plus plus, right? So this is for the reading the values and this for getting the pairs, So now I'm using the nested for loop. So j is starting from I plus 1, I plus 1 and j less than n and j plus plus. And after that I will print system.out.println array of I plus some space and after that array of j. So what I did is, so first I have given the n value, and after that I have given the array of its size of n, and after that I have read the values in the array, right? And after that you have to take the pairs, right? So when I is equal to 0, I will give 1, right? When I is equal to 0, I will give 1. And after that, j will starting from 2. So what is the I value? 0, right? So 0 plus 1, 1. So j is equal to 1, which means it will start from 2. it will starts from 2, right? It will start from 2, but I is starting from 0. So 1, 2, and after 1, 3, it will be incremented like this, right? So I is equal to 0, right? So I is equal to 0, I will give 1. So 1, 2, and after that 0 will be incremented, and 2 will be incremented to 3. So 1, 3, and it will be incremented, j will be incremented again. So 3 will be incremented to 4, then 1 comma 4. So like this it will be incremented, and after completing this for loop, it will again it will be I value will be incremented here. So instead of 0, it will be 1. So what is the 1 value? So it is 2. Now it is 2. After that, you will be having 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Like this, you will come. Right? I hope you understand why I have written I plus 1. Because you want the next value. You want the next value, right? First we having 1, right? You want the next value. 1, 2, 1, 3, right? So that's why I'm writing I plus 1. So when I is equal to 0, I'm having 1. When j is equal to I plus 1, you're having 0 plus 1, which means 1. 1 means the value is 2 in the array. 1 means it is the index where the 2 element is stored. So 1 comma 2 will be printed here. And after that 1 comma 3, because the j will be incremented here. So 2 becomes 3. So 1 comma 3 will be printed. And after it will be incremented, 3 becomes 4. So 1 comma 4 will be printed like this. And after completing the 1 series, then we will come to the when I is equal to 0, we are having 1, right? Then it will be incremented and I becomes 1. Then I value will be like I is equal to 1. So 1th index value is 2. So 2 comma 3 will come, right? So 2 plus 1, 3, right? So 2 comma 3 will come. So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. Now let's run this program. I think everything is correct. Okay, we have to write plus here. Let's run this program again. And we are having 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we have to get the 1 series. See, we got 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 4, 5. I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will help you. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.